Peeps, we are back and we are here with another unboxing. I'm going to show you guys in a second all the stuff that we're going to unbox. It's quite a big haul today. But one of the things I wanted to mention first is that I have talked for a while now, if you've been watching these Funko Pop and toy unboxings, that I don't have a Funko Pop Chase. With all the Funko Pops that I've purchased, I don't have a Chase, which is, if you're not familiar, Chases are like rare variants. They're packaged like one in a box or one in, they're pretty rare. I don't know the exact specs. I think it depends on the Chase. And they're just like variations. So it may, in like Black Panther, you may have a Black Panther with a different mask or no mask or that kind of thing. And I realized in kind of looking at my Pops today and doing some research on them, and my phone's ringing, so let me turn that off. Alright, so anyway, like I was saying, I realized in like cataloging and looking through my Pops this week that I actually already have a Chase. You know, there's a website called poppriceguide.com, and you can actually kind of store your collection on there. A lot of Pop collectors use it to determine the cost of their collection, you know, if they're selling, trading, that kind of thing. And I realized, wow, I actually already have a Chase, and I didn't even realize. So let me show you guys that now. It's over here on the DC side of my room. There he is. Of course, he's out of the box. I've had him for years, so, I mean, he's a little dusty, but he's in good shape, other than that. And so here's some of my DC Pops, and I've got like a first appearance Superman that I really love. I think that was an exclusive to Fall Convention, New York Comic Con. You know, I've got another Batman unmasked there. These are all kind of like exclusives except for that guy. But anyway, I found out that this giant-sized Batman is a Chase, and according to Pop Price Guide, he's worth a pretty penny, which I didn't realize. Like I said, I've had him for years. I got him before I was really a collector of Pops. I just really liked the way he looked, and I liked how big his head was. And he was actually probably one of the first Pops I really purchased. But there he is, my first Chase, and I didn't even realize it. So anyway, like I was saying, unboxing. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what's in that bag to show you guys today. So, why don't we go ahead and start? Alright, so I have already sliced open with my trusty knife. Actually, I need a better knife than this. This is just like a kitchen knife. I need a trusty unboxing knife. I'll get one soon. Of course, that means I order too much stuff online, right? If I need like an actual knife to unbox stuff. But I've got, like I said, all these boxes around me. You can't see them because they're just like below the camera. But I already sliced them all open so that you guys aren't sitting here for like ever while I open everything. But let's go ahead and hit up this first box from Amazon Prime. So, not really packaged with any form of anything, really, to protect him. So he's been bouncing around inside here. But, you know, a couple of creases. Nothing too bad, condition-wise. This Pop is a common Pop. Nothing really special about it other than that this character is near and dear to my heart. It is the Phantom, the Ghost Who Walks. He is number 67. He's a kind of an older character in the line. He's been out for a while now. Looks like 2014 is when this Pop was released. See if I can get it without the glare. Phantom, one of my favorite comic characters of all time. He is just an awesome superhero. There was a movie that came out a number of years ago starring Billy Zane that, you know, some people love, some people hate. I fall on the love camp, created by Lee Falk, one of the first superheroes created. Well, no superpowers, but an inspiration for Batman. I loved the design on this character. He's got his skull ring, he's got his belt, he's got everything that you could imagine the Phantom having. He's got his double guns on his holsters. Just love this character. And I never actually bought him when he first came out. They actually have multiple versions of him in different colors. But his main costume has always been purple. So I bought the purple Phantom. And there he is. He was on Amazon for like $8 or something. Something stupid like that. So I went ahead and just bought him. Alright, next up is this box from Super7. So this is actually not a pop. I ordered this earlier this week. Super7 is a company, at least I visited their store out in San Diego. I don't know if that's where they're based. Let's see. They mailed this from San Francisco. I went to their store in San Diego. They do lots of different action figures, and very similar to Funko as far as their love of things. They have a Masters of the Universe line of classic figures coming out. And just a great company. I'm going to put the link like right here, so you can check out their website and spend a crap ton of money like I have with them. In fact, you may have seen me wear a Masters of the Universe shirt with Beastman getting slimed in previous videos. That came from Super7. Alright, so I ordered this. Oddly enough, I ordered it and expected it to take a little while to come. I thought I was ordering a pre-order. It took like 2 days, and it was already here. So, here it is. It is the Sepia tone Nosferatu. Big fan of horror. You guys might have seen in previous videos that I have horror stuff behind me on some of my shelves because I have always been a huge fan of horror movies, and especially classic horror films like this 1920s silent film Nosferatu. And so this is based on the 1920s Nosferatu. They have a number of different versions. The previous version was, I think, in color. And sold out really quickly, so they released this other version. I don't know if it's sold out yet or not, but it's a 3.75 inch action figure, sepia tone, Nosferatu. Try to get it so that it's not super glary, but really, really wanted this. Glad I was able to get it. So Super7 is responsible for the reaction figures, if you have seen those in stores. And they have others in this line, including Alfred Hitchcock. There's Nosferatu. They have a line of Misfits-based ones as well. They have Iron Maiden ones as well. You know, obviously it just depends on if you like this type of action figure. I really do. And I love the box art. I love that it's unpunched up here. Nosferatu. So, from Super7. Check them out. They're not sponsoring me or anything. I paid for this, but I love it. And you guys, if you like this type of video, you're probably going to love their stuff too. And quite frankly, you probably already heard of them. Alright, so let's see what else we can show you. Alright, so I'm going to open this thing from Hot Topic that came in. I picked it up at the Hot Topic store. I had it delivered to the store. I love that Hot Topic now is putting all their Funko Pops, like when I order them online and they deliver them in store, they put them in these types of boxes. Keeps them super, super safe. So let's go ahead and pop this open. And here he is, the Hot Topic exclusive Diamond Collection Mickey Mouse. He's kind of all glittery, all cool looking. They have a number of in these Diamond collections. I'm going to show you right here. They have Stitch. They have Maleficent. They have Tinkerbell. I don't have any of those, but I am a huge Disney fan, and I had to get the mouse himself, Mickey Mouse. Let me pop this open, because I don't know that you can necessarily see the diamondiness, I guess, of him. So, popping this open. Here it is. Diamond Collection Mickey Mouse. As you can see, probably even better on the back. All glittery. Love the look of this figure. Love his big black eyes. Love his tail. So, really, really glad I picked that up. I saw it in store, but I picked it up online just because I wasn't sure. And I think, you know, if you buy stuff from Hot Topic online, I've mentioned this in a previous video, and you have it delivered to the store, it's free delivery. So, I just went ahead and did that. So, here he is, Diamond Collection Mickey. Alright. Aha, yes. So here's another box. I got this guy off of eBay, but again, I didn't pay more than retail price, which was great. I think I probably picked him up from a retailer, is probably what happened. But in my Masters of the Universe unboxing from last week, I guess, I had mentioned that I had picked up all of the figures except this guy, Battle Armor Skeletor. I really am shocked with myself that I missed out on one of my favorite villains of all time. Here he is, Battle Armor Skeletor. Came in this week, picked him up on eBay for, again, pretty much retail price. I don't think I paid extra, and it was free shipping, so too good a deal to pass up. I haven't seen him in stores. I haven't seen a lot of Masters of the Universe in stores actually around here. I don't know if it's just because we have a lot of local Funko Pop collectors that are picking the stuff up or what. But glad I picked him up. So, I just showed you guys Mickey. Mentioned I'm a big fan of Disney. So, I went to the shopdisney.com website. Just kind of curious, what kind of pops do they have? And on the website, it specifically said Funko Pop Dopey, like of the Seven Dwarfs, and it said Chase variant. And I'm like, can I actually order a Chase variant? Like, that's unusual, but Shop Disney, you know, it's a Disney store thing. It might have been that way. So I just picked it up, you know, I ordered it, and I'm like, this may be my first Chase. This was before I realized I already had that Batman Chase. So when the box came in, I already unboxed this one for myself, just because I was super excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, I got my first Chase. And no. It's the normal Dopey. I mean, don't get me wrong, he's cool looking and all, and Dopey has a place near and dear in my heart because I did the Dopey Challenge at Walt Disney World, which is a bunch of races in a row. But not only is this not the Chase, even though my email confirmation said Chase variant, they didn't really package it well, so the box is kind of beat up. Right here, I don't know if you guys can really see that. It's all beat up. You know, they shipped it in this pretty large box, and it was just this one little pop. And they put some tissue paper in, but it moved around. It got beat up. Now, don't get me wrong, I'll probably take it out of the box. I like Dopey. I like what he means to me as a runner of that Dopey challenge, but I am pretty disappointed that they said Chase variant, and it's not the Chase variant. Come on, guys. Even the, you know, and I read the description, and it didn't say possible Chase variant or anything like that. It just said Dopey Chase variant. And so, sadly, not a Chase. Wah, wah. Alright, I think I have one more thing to show you guys. And it's in the biggest box. Well, two more things. I think two things are in this box. So, this box comes from BoxLunch. It's a company that is the same owners as Hot Topic. They have a ton of Funko Pop exclusives. If you are familiar with their exclusives, you probably already know what's going to be in here. But I'm going to start with this first one, which is a BB9E BoxLunch exclusive. He's kind of a shiny BB9E. This is the Resistance droid, or the not the Resistance droid. This is the bad guy droid, the First Order droid. And if you can see, he's like silver and shiny. BoxLunch exclusive. And I went to BoxLunch. We have a BoxLunch up in Richmond, Virginia, and I went there and I was like, oh, maybe I can pick him up there. Sadly, they were sold out of him in store, but I was able to get him off of the website on a deal with some BoxLunch money or whatever it's called. And he came in the mail the other day. Here he is, BB9E BoxLunch exclusive. But the big item in this box, and the reason this box is so big, is because of what's in here. So this is another BoxLunch exclusive, Funko Pop. I'm a big fan of these domed figures. I actually have the R2-D2 and BB-8 ones that they released at Hot Topic and on Black Friday. And so now I have an Experiment 626 from Lilo and Stitch, domed Funko Pop. I mean, look at that guy. Well, I don't know. Can you see him? He's glary. Let's pop him open for you guys. This guy deserves to come out of this box. So let's go ahead and do that. There's a huge mess down here of all paper and packing and boxes and all sorts of stuff. Here we go. That is a better look. So it's Stitch. He's wrapped up in paper, or in plastic, so I can probably take that plastic off and because I think the dome pops, yeah, the dome pops out, so I can take the plastic off of him. He's probably just in there for protection. He's got this like white, this clear plastic holding him up like he's stuck to the dome. But here he is, Experiment 626 Stitch, domed BoxLunch exclusive Funko Pop. Love this guy. So that was everything. Like I said, huge unboxing today. Tons of stuff to show you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, please hit the subscribe button down below. Please hit the notification button. Please hit the like button, the thumbs up button. Please share the video with your friends so we get more and more views so that we can do more and more of these. And thank you guys again for watching, and we will see you guys next time.